Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Ferlisa Lumen Ferreras. I am 35 years old. I am from Aroray, Masbate. I have live-in partner blessed with 2 children ages 15 and 13 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school. My hobby is cleaning, cooking, and then singing. I was work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 3 years. I served 1 couple and 6 children. I was work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 6 months. I served 1 couple and 6-month baby. I was work as a hospital cleaner in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. My main duties is preparing the meals of the children, taking care of the children, doing iron, cleaning, washing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my needs of my family and to save money for my children. To my future employer, please hire me and I will doing my best to helping you and to assisting you in your taking caring of your newborn baby. That is one of my priorities, to taking caring of the newborn baby. Thank you so much. Hopefully that we are see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you so much.